One thing I love to do is to travel and teach classes, but I know that I can't always get to you and you can't always get to me. That's why I'm so excited to tell you about a new ruler class I put together just for you. The best part is, it's absolutely free. You'll learn things like how to use a straight edge to stitch in the ditch. You'll learn how to make motifs and create filler designs, all with rulers. We'll be talking about pointy designs, curvy designs, straight line designs, making motifs, border designs, and more. All the videos will be here on my YouTube channel, and so all you have to do is keep watching. It's almost like having me in your house. Well, without the wine. By the time you're finished, you'll feel so much more comfortable machine quilting with rulers, you'll have a beautiful finished quilt, and we will have had an amazing time. Throughout this class, I'm going to be demonstrating the designs and the rulers on a sewing machine and a long arm, and I'll be switching up between the two. So no matter what machine you have, you're going to be successful with this class. You'll need your rulers, and not just any rulers. We're going to be using my brand new rulers with creative grids, Chevy, Taj, and Elvira. And you may want to consider getting a ruler foot if you're quilting along on your sewing machine. It's not required, but it is very, very helpful. And if you have any questions about that, you can leave it in the comments below. You'll need a quilt sandwich to quilt on. Now this is the class quilt that I'll be working from. I designed this quilt especially for this class. It has everything that we need to be successful with quilting for rulers. Now, if you want to get the pattern or the kit, just check out the description box below. You'll also need a high quality machine quilting thread. Trust me on this. If you cut corners everywhere else, that's fine, but don't do it on the thread. It will save you a bunch of headaches and tension problems. I love Aurifil, which is a 50 weight cotton. Or you can try out Glide, which is a 40 weight poly. It has a subtle bit of sheen. If you're quilting along on the same quilt I am, I've put together some coordinating threads that will look perfect with your quilt. So those are all the supplies that you need to get started. There are some optional machine quilting notions and supplies that might make it a little easier, and I've made a list of those and put it in the description box below. So once you have your quilt sandwich, you have it basted or loaded on your long arm, we're going to get right into lesson 1. You don't have to take all the lessons in order, but I think you might find it more helpful as you're working through the quilt. And of course, at any point, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll get on there from time to time and answer them. And also, everybody else that's taken the class, I'm sure, will be very helpful with those as well. I'll be checking in with live Q&As, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you don't want to miss any of that information.